In this video, I'll show you how you can change your payment date on GEICO. To change your payment date online, you want to log into your GEICO account, then you want to click on the Policyholder Services tab, and then under Payments, click on Change Payment Date. You can then select a new payment date, and then after that, click on the Save button. To change your payment date by phone, you want to call GEICO customer service at 1-800-841-3000. You then want to provide the representative with your policy number and the date you want to change your payment to. The representative will then update your policy. Here are some things to keep in mind when changing your payment date on GEICO. You can change your payment date up to 14 days before your next payment is due. If you change your payment date after the next payment is due, you will need to make a one-time payment for the difference. If you're enrolled in automatic payments, you will need to update your payment information with your bank or credit card company. And here are some additional things to keep in mind. You may be able to change your payment date without a fee, but it is best to check with GEICO first. If you change your payment date too close to your payment due date, you may pay a late fee. If you're having trouble making payments, you should contact GEICO as soon as possible to discuss your options. So that's exactly how you can change your payment date on GEICO. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.